Hey guys, Livy Vaughn of Livy Vaughn Designs here. For those of you who have been here before, welcome back. And if you're new, as always, welcome to the Livy Vaughn DIY family. As always, feel free to click down below to subscribe to this channel to follow my husband and I's home renovation DIY journey. Just so you know, I will be doing a follow-up video showing you guys what the grass looks like later on in the future. But in between then and now, we did start up some additional outdoor projects that we would love to share with you guys on this channel. So I'll be showing those probably in between some of the intermittent grass updates. I know at one point we're going to be reseeding the lawn just to make it thicker and thicker over the season so that we have a really nice, dense, and full turf of grass. So I'm not going to belabor this intro any longer. Let's get into our 5-week update. In today's video, I'll be going over the last installation of how my husband and I seeded our lawn with grass. In part 1, we covered how we prepared our soil by removing ivy. If you guys remember, this was a big task. And in part 2, we covered how we laid our grass seed, where we finished it with daily watering. And in today's video, we're covering our grass growth update, where during week 2, post laying the grass seed out, we had our first sign of baby grass, y'all. I originally shared our week 2 update with you all on Instagram when I first started this blog. So let's get into that and start there. So y'all, back in 2018, my husband and I bought a house. And this house had some major landscaping issues, mainly in the backyard. It had a beautiful deck patio, but the grass was non-existent, and what covered it was ivy. So, long story short, we ripped it all out. And we decided to reseed the whole backyard with grass. And we live on a slope, so we knew this was an uphill battle. No pun intended, but maybe a little bit. And I want to show you guys our progress because it's only been a week and it took us 2 months to do. And I almost pulled all my hair out. And yeah, it's worth sharing. So here we go. So this is a glimpse. We had to put out some hay or straw. I always call it hay. It's not that. It's straw. And that was above our grass. But you can see, if I get real close, we have little baby seedlings popping up. Ooh! I can't wait. This is only 1 week out. We put this all down on Tuesday. So here's a bigger one. But it's pretty exciting. See, this is a girl who's excited. And this is a girl and a husband who are super excited. So here, I just wanted to show you guys some additional up close and far away pics so you can see exactly the grass growth that we had during that second week. And then just one day after, we had an even more significant amount of growth. And even more in week 3. And just a little more in week 4. By week 5, our lawn with the newly seeded grass was flourishing. Now, we did have some patches here and there where the seed did not germinate, but that's okay. We'll just go in later and reseed in those spots and throw out some seed as well to the rest of the yard, just to help build up and beef up the turf. And you can't forget watering. Just because we had grass growth does not mean the watering stopped. stops, you guys. We continued to water so that our grass got about an inch or so of water a week, which for us really just meant one good watering per day or per every other day. So that's it, guys. I hope this was motivating and inspiring to let you know that you can go grass too. Like I said, we'll be beefing up with more seeding later on. Stay tuned for updates. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Like I said, there will be more grass updates as you guys see the yard come together. Like I mentioned earlier, we have a ton of projects that we're still continuing. We'd like to do some type of mulch bordering around the trim, which is why we did not put grass way up at the top of the hill. Also because it's really steep up there and we're really not trying to bring a lawnmower that far up. Our ankles are precious to us. But yeah, so we have that. We also are in the works, or have already repainted and restained our deck. We've also been working on putting some cool bordering around the deck, and that will be a video to come as well. So you guys will see everything come together. You guys will see the grass in different stages, and hopefully by that time it'll be a lot thicker, a lot more fuller. But this was a great opportunity to just show you guys that you can grow your own grass, that it can thrive, and that it doesn't really take much work once you get done with the prep part. As long as you guys don't have something as torturous as we did with that ivy, you're good to go. This is going to be a lot simpler for you as long as you follow the key steps I shared. Y'all, and don't forget, I will be putting a blog post up with even more detail about this grass seeding process, part 3, where we had our grass growth. I have put up blog posts for part 1 and part 2 that provide a ton of detail, more than what you'll see in these videos. So be sure to check them out. The link to my blog will be down in the description box. And you can find other cool stuff there, like food ideas, food inspo, some recipes. So as I just mentioned, this is my blog where you can find even more detailed content on this grass series, as well as future and previous projects. Here is just a breakdown of the part 2, where we laid our grass seed, and the link for this blog post is down below in the description box as well. As always, thank you guys for stopping by. I can't wait to share our next projects. I'm also working on something indoors that I'll share with you guys. I have to do an office update. So that might be one of my next videos, but stay tuned and, just let me know what you think down in the comments below. Looking forward to continuing this DIY journey with you all. Look out for future grass updates as well as future DIY projects to come. For a written, detailed version of this project, visit my website, livyvondesigns.com. Again, as always, thank you guys for stopping by, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video.